Today, let's have a reading practice using English alphabet. Are you ready? Letter A. A is for apple. Apple starts with the letter A. Apple. A. Letter B. B is for bee. B starts with the letter B. 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 Letter C. C is for cat. Cat starts with the letter C. Cat. C. Letter D. D is for dolphin. Dolphin starts with the letter D. Dolphin. D. Letter E. E is for egg. Egg starts with the letter E. Egg. E. Letter F. F is for flower. Flower starts with the letter F. Flower. F. Letter G. G is for grapes. Grape starts with the letter G. Grapes. G. Letter H. H is for horse. Horse starts with the letter H. H. Letter I. I is for ice cream. Ice cream starts with the letter I. Ice cream. I. Letter J. J is for juice. Juice starts with the letter J. Juice. J. Letter K. K is for kick. Kick starts with the letter K. Kick. K. Letter L. L is for lollipop. Lollipop starts with the letter L. Lollipop. L. Letter M. M is for monkey. Monkey starts with the letter M. Monkey. M. Letter N. N is for net. Net starts with the letter N. Net. N. Letter O. O is for orange. Orange starts with the letter O. Orange. O. Letter P. P is for popcorn. Popcorn starts with the letter P. Popcorn. P. Letter Q. Q is for queen. Queen starts with the letter Q. Queen. Q. Letter R. R is for rabbit. Rabbit starts with the letter R. Rabbit. R. Letter S. S is for snake. Snake starts with the letter S. Snake. S. Letter T. T is for tooth. Tooth starts with the letter T. Tooth. T. Letter U. U is for umbrella. Umbrella starts with the letter U. Umbrella. U. Letter V. V is for volcano. Volcano starts with the letter V. Volcano. V. Letter W. W is for wood. Wood starts with the letter W. Wood. W. Letter X. with the letter X. X-ray. X. Letter Y. Letter Z. Z is for zipper. Zipper starts with the letter Z. Zipper.